Basically, we would like to find out the midship region. What the midship, amidship, we call it as a amidship. The fore part of the vessel to the where the summer load water line which intersect the rudder post or the central line of the pintle. These distance are called length between the perpendicular. In the length between the forward perpendicular to this also called as a aft perpendicular. The distance between the forward perpendicular to aft perpendicular are called length between the perpendicular. Suppose the length between perpendiculars 200 meter means the midship region is exactly falls on the 100 meter. So midship region is coming on the 100 meter. So there you will find the maximum width of a vessel. Maximum width. Okay. So maximum breadth or maximum width of a vessel we call breadth of a molded ship. With respect to the midship region, central line of a ship, the forward shear is been provided. The rise of the deck from the central line to the extreme forward end of a stem are called shear, forward shear of a vessel. Same way, the rise of the deck from the central end to the extreme aft end of a vessel, that is stern parts, are called aft shear. Why it is being provided? Basically, when the ships goes to the high seas, so much of water during the high seas means maybe in the cyclonic period, the water ingress will be there. It has to immediately drain off. So, to drain off purpose, it has been made in the shear purpose, forward shear, and this is a design aspect we have been given. Same way, camper. The camper is the one from the central line of the ships to the side of a ship side of the vessel. It is like a convex in shapes, so that the deck strength has been achieved. What are the strength? Because ships has to withstand the 6 degree of freedom. We have said so much of stresses will be there on board when the ship is going for the dynamic action, when the ship is moving in the high seas. To withstand all the stresses, we need to make sure that the ship has to be in the camper position. The camber condition. Then flare of the vessels. It's the ship side of a vessel. In the fore part of a vessel, it goes outward curvature of a vessel. So that when the vessels pitching heavily, it won't submerge into the water. You will get the amount of buoyancy, good amount of buoyancy you will be getting in the, if you are making the design of a flare of a vessel. Tumble home, it's inward curvature of a ship side, so that whatever the amount of water is coming out from the ship side, it has to be drained off immediately. The depth molder is the from the keel to the ship side of a vessel, or the amidship region, depth molder.